You're probably watching this video today because you want to learn some tips to help you be successful in your business. And you're probably frustrated and sick and tired of not getting any results. Nobody signed up in your business, you're not selling any products, and you probably went to every meeting and you're still not attracting the results you're looking for. And you're at the point where you really need something that's going to work. You want a technique that will generally help you as opposed to hinder you. So what I want to share with you and reveal to you is a free exclusive TED seminar done by Bob Proctor, where he shows you how to master the law of attraction and break the chains of mediocrity and become excellent in everything that you do. Bob is the best-selling author of You Were Born Rich and has transformed the lives of millions of people through his books, seminars, courses, and personal coaching. Because here's the thing, you can have the perfect company, the perfect system, the perfect product, but if you don't have the right mindset and you don't believe in what you're doing, then you will never succeed. And this goes for anything, whether you're trying to lose weight, get a new job, etc. Because once you know exactly what you want, see yourself achieving your goal, and believe in yourself and know that it's going to work no matter what, you will achieve results you never thought you can do. Now, this isn't some positive, motivational crap just to get you hyped up and don't get any results. The law of attraction brain you get today is a really watered down version of the real thing. When you use the law of attraction in reduced, media-friendly form, you only scrape the tiniest tip of the iceberg when it comes to immense potential. Without even realizing it, they teach you only one small part of the truth, but they make it sound like the whole truth. Now, the unfortunate side effect of this is that when students from these teachers find little success, they turn away as disbelievers to the law. Now remember, if you get half truth, you want to get half the benefits, or worse, you might not get any results at all. And Bob believes that a law of attraction is less than a fraction of immense potential for you, simply because the rest of the world did not tell you about the other 11 laws. And because you don't know the other laws, you're faltering at every little challenge instead of magically transforming every stumbling block to greater and greater success. But with just a mental tweak, your obstacles can instantly become opportunities. So if you're somebody who's ready to break away from that dead-end job and become successful in your business and live the abundant life you deserve, you want to check out this free teleseminar, because mastering these laws is the difference between getting by and getting rich. Use them to make all the money you want. So to get free instant access, just go to this website at www.11lawsofsuccess.com/teleseminar and grab your free teleseminar there. See you on the side, my friend.